This is a 2014 Lexus IS 250 Sport, 71,000 miles. Gorgeous car. Fully loaded. Backup camera, navigation, blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, heated and air-conditioned seats, premium alloy wheels. Vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Super clean. You will be lucky to find a door ding in this car. It is very clean. Paddle shifting, sport mode, fun car to drive, great on gas. As close to new as you can get. Very clean. Cream leather seats, power seats, sport mode, heated and air-conditioned seats, navigation, backup camera, moonroof. 71,000 miles. Blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. So this is a 2014 Lexus IS 250 Sport, fully loaded, 71,000 miles, in remarkable condition. Remarkable condition, needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically.